I'm Kamrul Hassan from Gopalpur High School and standing to take online class on behalf of Kalukhali Upazila online class. So dear students, all of you are staying at home, so there is no scope to take our as usual class. As a result, we are trying to take your online class. Today, I am trying to take a class in class 8, Unit 3, Lesson 1. The class is about health. Dear student, do you know what is health? Okay, I think you know. Health is the condition of body and mind. So we can say that health is in two types: physical health and mental health. We are staying at home and trying to follow the rules of health. So our direction is now is to take regular physical exercise at minimum 20 to 30 minutes and so. So to take the class, please take your textbook, exercise book and a pencil. Hope that you have already taken. Please open your textbook at page 19. Page 19. Now, here is a picture of two boys. Here is a picture of two boys. So, which boy looks healthy? Yes, of course, in the right part of the boy, he is a healthy, I think. Are you sure? Okay. Which boy is unhealthy? Which boy is unhealthy? I think you surely point out the left one. Is it? Okay. I think so. The right one is the healthy and the left one is unhealthy. So, can you guess why they are so? Okay. I also think that the difference of food habit and practice of hygiene are the cause of their difference. Are you agree with me? Okay, yes. So dear student, there are two pre-reading question here. I am going to read the passage and you have to answer these two questions after finishing my reading. So before reading, I am going to write down the keywords of the lesson and you must write it on your exercise book. So first, disease. Disease. Disease is an illness affecting human animal or plants often caused by infection. So disease is a noun. It means an illness affecting human, animals or plant, often caused by infection. So the word essential it is adjective. The meaning of essential is completely necessary. Completely necessary. Then concentrate. Concentrate is a verb. The meaning of concentrate is thinking intensively about something. Possession. Is a noun. Ownership or belongings. So dear student, I think that you have already completed it. So now I am going to read the lesson. You must follow while I am reading it, and you must answer the question before the lesson. So now, health is the condition of our body and mind. It may be good or bad. Good health means healthy body free from diseases. It is essential for everyone to lead a happy life. If we are not in good health, we cannot concentrate on any activity in our life. A proverb goes, health is wealth. It means health is equally valuable as good or any other personal possessions. We may have vast wealth and property, but if we are not healthy, we cannot enjoy them. To keep ourselves healthy, we have to do certain things. We have to take a balanced diet. We must exercise regularly to keep our body fit for work. There is an old saying, early to bed and early to rise makes a man healthy, wealthy and wise. So, we should not keep late hours we should go to bed early at night and rise early in the morning. Peace of mind is another condition for good health. So, we must not worry over small things of life. Okay, dear students, now the question, why is good health essential for us? Find out the answer from the text. And another question, why is physical exercise necessary? Write down the answer of these two questions in your exercise book. Okay, dear students, I think that you have already finished your answer. Now check the answer. Why is good health essential for us? The good health is essential for us to lead a healthy and happy life. Check your answer again. Good health is essential for us to lead a healthy and happy life. Have you checked? Yes. And the another question was, why is physical exercise necessary? Why is physical exercise necessary? Well, physical exercise is necessary to keep our body fit for work. Check your answer again. Physical exercise is necessary to keep our body fit for work. Okay, dear student, please open your book at page 20. In part C, there are some multiple questions. Now, write the answer of the questions. Please write it on your exercise book. Okay, dear student, I think you have already finished your answer. Now, please check your answer. Before checking your answer, please look at the whiteboard. To write the multiple answer of the questions, you must follow these rules. You have to write the number of the question and then you have to write A, B, C, D, and then you have to write the Roman 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and then the answer. If you miss this or this, you must not get the full credit. So, while writing the answer of multiple question, you must follow these rules. The first one, health means the condition of number A, our body, number B, our mind, number C, our body and mind, and number D, our environment. So, what is the answer? Yes, number C. Health is the condition of our body and mind. And number 2, a healthy person is one who is physically and mentally sound. B, eats good food. C, has a lot of weight. D, is overweight. What is the answer? Yes, the answer is a healthy person is one who is physically and mentally sound. And number 3, we need to eat. Answer number 1, rich food. Number B, balanced food. Number C, little food. Number D, lot of food. What is the answer? Yes, we need to eat balanced food. Okay. Number 4, the phrase to keep late hours means to go to bed late. Number B, to wake up late in the morning. Number C, to do things late always. Number D, to be late for the class. What is the answer? Yes, the answer is the phrase to keep late hours means to go to bed late. Okay, dear student, I think you have understood the lesson very clearly. Now you have to write a paragraph in your home when you are staying. So it is your homework. How can we maintain good health? How can we maintain good health? Good health. So dear student, you must try to write the paragraph on how can we maintain good health. So we are passing a critical time, so please follow the rules of health and stay at home. So thank you very much. Stay